My Civic, I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas.
What's going on, y'all? This your boy L7 Ride 254. You tune in for another one. Yeah. So, just leaving from the gym. This is like a little update video on the contest, giveaway, whatever. Let me give y'all some cold, hard facts. So, as far as everything goes, you know, the requirements are to go, the requirements to win are you like the video that is titled, this is the video you need to watch. I'm gonna put the little update thing in one of these places. I think I said that shit last time and I ain't do it. This time I got you. Also, you need to comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and then you're entered to win the GM LS swap plates. Pretty much good to go. The only other requirement is that we do 600 subs. We are currently at, drum roll, 515. No, that's not what time it is. 515 is the number of subscribers. So I want to give a big shout out to everybody that's subscribing and giving their feedback and everything on the videos. It's very much appreciated. I love the interaction and the positivity, because we don't have enough of that in the world. So I definitely need more positivity, and you know what I'm saying? Things like this, I think it's awesome, man. It's fucking awesome. So in conclusion, when we reach 600 subs and you have commented on the video that is titled, this is the video you need to watch for the giveaway, which I don't think can make it no cleaner or no simpler or nothing like that. So watch the video, comment on the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and then I'm gonna ship them plates out, LS plates out to you after a winner is picked at random. So yeah, so I'm headed to the house. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and shit and get this video over for y'all and go from there. So it's your boy L7 Ride 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths.